significant year for Michael Jordan's fifth trademark sneaker will be 2025. The reimagined vintage version of the original black metallic is one of several new interpretations that are imminent. However, there are further original colorways on the horizon. According to insiders close to House of Heat Degrees, the iconic Air Jordan 5 Grape will make a comeback in the summer of 2025. It's unclear how exactly the colorway will be implemented, but it's assumed that the shoe will adhere to the original color blocking and material specifications, which include white, new emerald, grape ice, and black, with Nike Air branding on the back. Nike.com and a few other Jordan brand stores will carry the Air Jordan 5 OG Grape when it launches on June 21, 2025. Both adult and children's sizes are available, and the adult pair will retail for $210.